Hey everybody, this is Greg Sargent with Restoration Made Simple again. I really wanted to just make a quick video. I've been telling people about these books, two books, for a couple of years now. A friend of mine actually told me about this one, Profit First. Ron Jones told me about this book. I started using it for my own business and it really helped me with my financials. Now, I'm one of those guys that can't devour a whole book, so I like little pieces of it, and then I take that piece out and it helps me. But a really big thing that I liked about, and again, this is Profit First. If you guys can get that, I'll put it on the website, but it's by Mikemikhailowitz. Sorry, I can't say his name. He even makes fun of the spelling of his name on his website. I just love it. I love this part right here, just a real simple part. It says, you're not a fool, basically someone who's struggling with their business. You have done nothing wrong and you have nothing to be ashamed of. You have this book in your hands. You are discovering the truth and another way to get where you want to go. You are no longer asking, how can I make my business bigger? You are asking, how can I make my business better? And when I started asking myself that question years ago is when my business got more profitable. Of course, I still have issues. There's still things I don't know how to do. You guys know me. I'm not perfect at anything, and I've learned every day from you guys as well. But this book has been great for me on financing and how to put my accounts together in my bank account. I think you guys will really love it. I have a number of my multi-million-dollar companies now that are actually following Profit First. So the second book that I want to show you really quick is Traction. Hopefully you can get that, by Gino Wickman. And this is the expanded edition. Now, tons of how to put your people in place. One of the biggest things that I learned from this book was, it says how to get the right person in the right seat, the right person in the right position, the right person with the right responsibilities. My favorite chapter that I share a lot with people is chapter 5. And basically, it's all about how to put together a weekly scorecard. And love this. Think this is a great process for you. But basically, you come up with about 8 to 10 measurables of your business each week. And then who's in charge of that measurable and what's the goal for that measurable for that week. And then you have basically a quarter or a 3-month process here, time frame, on this little teeny card where you can check, yes, we did it, no, we didn't. For that week. And then you can start to see which parts of your business are thriving, which parts of your business are struggling, which parts of your business need more of your attention. But anyways, I've loved this scorecard idea. We actually put together some chore charts and life charts for our children that most of them follow, and on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, they fill these out daily, weekly. And then I sit down with them, go through them, have a little conversation with them. But it's really helped them to know at least the basic things of what we want them in our family. So again, really short, quick video. Hopefully you guys can get a hold of these. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon or on their websites, Traction and Profit First. Hopefully this is a little bit of information that helps you in your business to get some ideas, insights on finances and how to get the right person and how to put your organization together. Thanks again. If you guys have any questions at all, of course, just gregsargent.com. You can contact us there, or we have our online courses, and we'll look to talk to you soon. Thanks.